March 6, 2024. US Highway 411, Georgia Highway 53, 411 South, 53 West, Cave Springs 10 miles, Center, Alabama 29, Gadsden 50. We're going to go to Cave Springs and see if the water's clear. Coming out of the spring, I'm sure it will be, but I want to get a water temperature and see if we can get the Osmo 3 Osmo 3 underwater and see if we can see any aquatic life. Yeah, I think we'll be coming into Cave Springs pretty quick. Let's see if we can see when this bridge was built. I couldn't tell. We got somebody right on us. I mean, right on us. There's an RV park. Look at the Cave Spring Drink Coca-Cola sign. And they turned in right behind us. You try to let somebody by and they follow you right in.
In 1,000 feet, continue straight onto North Cave Spring Street, Cave Springs Road.
We're going to turn her off now. Town to the right, Georgia 53 to the right. 411 is going to be straight ahead, I guess. General store, they have all sorts of stuff over there. We'll swing and go through let you see the little town area here. We have somebody else right on us again now. We're going to cross the bridge up here and check out Cave Springs over on the left-hand side over there. Cherokee Cabin, Trail of Tears, National Historic Trail. Little red caboose. Date on it, 1960 something. Yeah, the creek is stained. 1966. We will ride through the park first and then we'll walk over to the springs. Park in that lot right there to the right. And the springs come from the right. They're right up there on the right. They come down and cross under this bridge and form this lake. And that water is very clear. We'll get a temperature on it. We could park right here and just walk to the spring. Yeah, they have that, you know, I don't know if you can still swim there or not. They've got a lifeguard chair, a couple of them. Nice swimming hole if you can swim here. City Hall of Cave Springs right there on our right. We're coming right back in. Motel Creekside. Our battery is on caution. We'll turn it off. Yeah, coming across the bridge, I missed a turn this time. Looking at the date stamp on the bridge. I do not know if the bathrooms over here are open. I suspect they are, but I do not know for sure. Also, I think we will park right over here and walk up the creek to the springs. We can get across the bridge right there, and the springs are right over there across that bridge, I think, in that cave, in that building there. A lot of water comes out of this spring. Okay, let's turn it off, and we will combine phone video to this, and I'm going to try to go live if I've got coverage here. March 6, 2024, we're at Cave Springs, Georgia. Nice park, nice spring. I don't know if they still swim in the swimming area down there or not. I don't know but very little about Cave Springs. I know it's a big spring coming out of the ground over here. There are a lot of fish in this little pond area. I was going to go live here, but I don't have enough good enough connection to go live, so we won't be able to do that. People come down here and get spring water to drink. I may have to, if I can get a good enough connection, I may have to ask my assistant how many gallons of water per minute does Cave Springs produce or come out of the ground, whatever the correct terminology would be for that. I've got some underwater video and walking video with the Osmo 3. I won't combine it, it'll be a separate video. I was going to try to do a live video, but just do not have a good enough connection. Won't be long, the trees will be budded out. They're starting to break out a little bit now. We still have about 2 weeks of winter. This is a cloudy, overcast winter day, not cold. I think I've already told you, about 62 degrees. It's supposed to go to about 65. And you have several springs coming out of the ground over here. You have one here. A nice magnolia tree. There's a lot of fish in here. I don't know if they're bass or what, but I've seen several that would be very keepable if you were fishing, but it's not allowed. No fishing or wading. Another spring coming out here. And this is where it's coming out mainly. There's some nice fish right there. You can see a lot of them. I don't know how well you can see them. Also, we got underwater video, but I don't know if we're close enough. We're going to get some more, see if we can get some good video of them. And over here at this building, we got it locked. And see, the water actually comes out of that cave spring. Cave information. I don't know if you can actually go in a cave here or not. That'd be interesting. Okay, we're going to see if we can get some more underwater video of the fish. Now that may be pretty cool. I forgot the infrared thermometer, so we'll have to go back and get it. And we will have to get maybe another battery. We may not need to, but we'll get another battery just in case. There are a lot of fish. I don't know what these are, whether they're bass or... But there are a lot of them there. 6, 8, 12 inches long. I don't think there is no wading or fishing, subject to fine. And see, they've got this locked off. But there's a lot of water coming out of that spring. Oh, there's one right there. out over here. And see, the water's coming out of that cave up there. Cave Springs. Cave information and donations. I sure hope those fish show up good.